This is one of the healthy laddus I prepared for this janmashtami. For preparing this laddu, take 2 spoons of poppy seeds and roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the poppy seed is roasted well, remove it to a plate. Now, in the same cooking vessel, add 2 to 3 spoons of ghee and take nuts of your choice. I have taken almond, hazelnut, walnut and cashews and roast it until it's 80% roasted. Now, nuts are almost 80% roasted. I am going to add 2 spoons of dry grapes and roast it until everything is roasted well. Now, nuts and dry fruits are roasted well. I am going to remove it to a plate. Now, to the same cooking vessel, add 2 more spoons of ghee and add 2 spoons of edible gum and roast it until edible gums are puffed up. Now, edible gums are puffed up and roasted well. I am going to remove it to a plate and add 2 spoons of olive seeds and roast it until olive seeds start spluttering. Now I have added 1 large bowl of dry grated coconut and roast it for 1 to 2 minutes in a low flame. Don't roast it in a high flame as coconut start burning easily. Remove it to a plate and add 2 spoons of ghee and 1 cup of jaggery powder and allow the jaggery powder to melt. Once jaggery powder is melted and starts boiling, add all the roasted ingredients to it. Add 8 to 10 chopped dates and give it a good mix. You should start preparing a laddu when the mixture is almost hot. If you can't tolerate heat, please use hand gloves or any kind of gloves to prepare laddus. If at all, laddu mixture gets dried up and if you can't prepare laddus, then prepare more jaggery liquid and add it to a laddu mixture and start preparing laddus. Now, laddus are ready to enjoy. These laddus are usually prepared when there is a new mom in the house or during janmashtami or just as a healthy snack for a kid. Please do try this recipe and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.